I think that the moral argument arouses deep emotions because it touches us at the very core of our being. You can ignore the evidence for the beginning of the universe and get along just fine in life. You can ignore the fine-tuning of the universe without being inconvenienced. But you cannot ignore these moral questions. Every day you get up, you answer by how you treat other people, whether you think that human beings have intrinsic and objective moral value, and therefore are to be treated as ends rather than mere means to your own selfish purposes. And so the moral argument is inescapable. And if we do believe, as I think the vast majority of us do, that there are certain things that are really objectively right or wrong, then the question arises as to what is the basis or ground for these objective moral duties and values that we sense. And it's very, very difficult to provide any sort of basis for these on an atheistic or naturalistic worldview. On that view, we are just animals, and moral values and duties are just illusory spin-offs of the evolutionary process which are conducive to our survival as a human species. But when the sociopath murders and sexually abuses a little girl, on that view, he doesn't really do anything wrong. He just does something that is antisocial. And so we're confronted with this very deep question and very disturbing implication of atheism as to what foundation there is for the objective moral duties and values that we confront in everyday living. And I'm persuaded that theism by far provides the best explanation. Moral values are grounded in the very character of God, and moral duties are grounded in His divine commands to us.